As men age, they commonly experience changes in their sexual health. However, experiencing difficulty maintaining an erection to please a partner can lead to psychological problems such as losing confidence, feeling angry, and becoming frustrated. This event can cause a wandering mind, and repeat the same questions over and over. Will I be able to have a strong and lasting erection again to satisfy her? It is normal and not your fault, and can happen to anyone. Various factors can contribute to this issue, including health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and obesity, as well as lifestyle factors like stress, lack of exercise, and alcohol consumption. Additionally, aging can play a role as our bodies naturally undergo changes that can affect our sexual health. However, it's important to note that there are many effective treatments available, including prescription medications, lifestyle changes, and alternative therapies like herbal supplements. For men seeking a natural solution to enhance their sexual health, Red Boost is the answer. Red Boost is a fast-acting and potent formula made with a unique blend of 100% natural nutrients. It supports healthy blood flow, improves smooth muscle function, and provides long-lasting sexual performance with just 2 capsules a day. Additionally, Red Boost helps maintain healthy nitric oxide levels, which are essential for blood flow and artery health throughout the body. Each potent capsule of Red Boost contains a hand-picked combination of rare and powerful nutrients that work synergistically to boost sexual performance. Key ingredients such as icarine, also known as horny goat weed, tonkat, fenugreek, citrulline, and nettle root have been used for centuries to boost male sexual performance and desire. For example, fenugreek has been shown to result in a significant boost in sexual performance and desire in man when taken once a day. Citrulline supports erection hardness and stamina, and nettle root not only boosts sexual hormones but also supports prostate health for men. With the help of Red Boost, men can restore the firm, long-lasting erections of their youth, enjoy more intense orgasms, and boost their sex lives. Don't settle for just an okay performance in the bedroom when you can experience the powerful effects of Red Boost. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself. A link to purchase Red Boost is provided in the description below.